Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. On today's video, I have a quick little haul to share with you guys. I got a few things from Instagram shops, and I also have a Hobby Lobby sticker haul. And yeah, that'll be it. So this is probably going to be a quick one, but I wanted to show you guys these super cute rosettes that I purchased from Lori. She's creating for fun, if I'm not mistaken, on Instagram. And she does these little bundles of rosettes. And you guys, I enjoy making rosettes, but sometimes I'm just like, you know what, I need them done and then I could keep it moving. So she sells, like, I think it's a dozen for $10 plus shipping. And look, this is the Minte collection, and yes, I can do them myself. I have the dies, but sometimes, you know, I just want to have them ready. So I figured, let me pick some up from her. So I did that last week, and this is what they look like. They're so pretty. So she had posted these, which is the Minte from Frank Garcia. So I got those. And then I was looking, she has a lot of collections. So I was looking at her page and I saw that she also had Willow Lane, which Willow Lane is one of my favorite Maggie Holmes collections. And look how pretty, you guys. Got some Willow Lane. Look at that. And now I feel like it's like super easy just to pick them up from her and have them ready. Maybe fill up a whole basket full, and whenever I need a rosette, I have the colors. See, because that takes up a lot of time, you guys. To do the rosettes, it takes up a lot of time, and sometimes I'm just like, I need a shortcut, and this is my shortcut. This is something that I can use when I don't have the time to be making rosettes. I have them already done. So I picked those up. And then, you guys, you remember I showed you these little felties that I had picked up from Todo Papel on Instagram? I got my second pack. Look how cute, you guys. The little gingerbread, the mugs, and I'm getting more, so I'm obsessed. This was a little freebie that she gave me. They are so cute. I'm gonna have her link down below, you guys. I'm gonna have them both linked down below so you can go check them out. So I have that. And then lastly is my sticker haul from Hobby Lobby. I have been seeing tons of hauls on Hobby Lobby stickers, specifically Sweet Crafty Girl, which is Stephanie. She posted these, and of course I had to go get them right away. And look how cute, you guys. Aren't these the cutest? So I picked 3 up of these. I also picked up this cute little cat that is so adorable. I might never use and hoard forever because I only bought one. Same with these little skates. You guys, how cute are these? I love them. So I got those, and then I picked up these farmhouse stickers. You guys know me, you know I love me some farmhouse. So I got these. I didn't think they were gonna be flat, but it's okay. They're here, they're mine. They were $1.49. But yeah, that's my quick little haul. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye, guys.